Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS5 controller to your iPad if you want to play some games on your iPad. It's very easy to do. All you got to do is go on settings on your iPad. Once you go on your iPad settings, go on the Bluetooth mode, and now the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your PS5 controller. You want to press the home button and the share button at the same time. So what is this going to do? Is going to put your controller on pairing mode, and after you hold the controller here, you're going to see the controller on your iPad screen. So all you got to do is press on it. It will connect it here. And now just keep in mind that not every games on your iPad is compatible with your PlayStation 4. With your PlayStation 5 controller. So only play the games that are compatible with your PS5 controller. Now there you go. Now the PS5 controller is connected. Now all you gotta do is go on the game that you want to play, and you'll be able to use your PS5 controller. I hope that helps, and subscribe to the channel for more tips.